Is there anything tech giant Google isn't willing to try? The company is attempting to build wireless networks in developing markets to connect at least 1 billion more people to the internet. The Wall Street Journal reports the wireless networks would be put in areas like sub-Saharan Africa and Southeast Asia, places that currently don't have wired internet connections. Early reports suggest Google might team up with local telecommunications firms in those areas to develop the networks and supporting business models. Google can make this happen a few different ways. It can either create a massive satellite-based network or use the gaps in television broadcast airwaves, but only if government regulators allow it. Those gaps between broadcast TV channels are also known as television white spaces. And if it doesn't use TV white spaces, Google is also experimenting with blimps and balloons to transmit signals for networks. This move has been in the works for some time now as Google sees financial promise in it. More internet users would drive online advertising on many of Google's services. The company currently derives 87% of its annual revenue from selling online ads. The activities underscore how the web search giant is increasingly aiming to have control over every aspect of a person's connection to the web across the globe. However, GigaOM seems to think Google's goal of reaching 1 billion people might be a little far-fetched. Google is focusing its efforts primarily in rural areas, but if Google really plans to connect 1 billion unconnected people, it would also need to hit urban centers. Still, it could have an enormous impact on the developing world. In sub-Saharan Africa, 3G and 4G cellular is practically non-existent. Google might have competition when it comes to accomplishing its mission, though. According to Tech Central, both Google and Microsoft are pouring money into pilot projects testing the potential of the white spaces spectrum. If the companies get permission to use white spaces, it could help bring billions of people in emerging markets online for the first time. The social and economic impact would be vast. Google has declined to comment on this topic. For Newsy, I'm Candice Aviles, multiple sources, a broader view.